Hi, this is a Star Wars alarm clock. It came in a box with the Star Wars logo and Disney, Lucasfilm names, and this is made by Rhythm Toke Kogyo Kamashiki Gaisha, a Japanese company in Saitama City. And so as you can see, there are 12 faces or masks of Star Wars characters, 3 stormtroopers, scout trooper, snow trooper, Boba Fett, Jango Fett, General Grievous, TIE Fighter the pilot, Darth Maul, Darth Vader, and Emperor Palpatine, and he has black eyes, and it contains 3 different music from Star Wars series. Let's listen to them. And these were alarm sounds, and it also have 3 different sounds: alarm on, and alarm off, and snooze button makes this sound.
Help me, Obi-Wan Kenobi. You're my only hope.
And that is it. Yep.